Ngava uPhanga King asitshelena ngowakhe umsebenzi kunengoma njengamanje esizoyidlala mangabe siphetha le interview ethi the truth sitshele ngayo
the truth
iqiniso lami
like okay guys, the truth is not an offensive song. Like le ngoma like engadlala even like ugogo omdala osunderstandayo like isingisi, but anyway it's not like strong words or amagama like aqinile, but it's the truth. Like it means like iqiniso like libhlungu izinto ekanjalo, understand? And then it's not like a complicated like song or something. But njengoba nje nizwile lapha umsazi wakhe ukuthi uzobe seandlalela like iqinini. I like the track though, and I wish you guys can even like that, because like yona phela enza ukuthi ngiqine ngifikile la ngaphandle kwale qinisele lapha kule yangoma vele like I will be home right now ngihleli nabafowethu. But otherwise that truth like spark from the other side, and then it made me ukuthi ngiqine ngifikile la ngikhona right now. So please guys, it's not about like ukuthi wenza in kanjani nabani, but if you prioritize what you can do, then from there you can make it like happen. That's the truth.
Ukwakhipha umsebenzini nini bekuyini iphi kuhamba kanjani ingoma bezungaki zithini usebenze nobani kuyona?
Okay, like usually the basic of this, like mina I started like working with the other bros of mine from location parts ngokuthi like masebenzisana kwamele kube khona umuntu nomuntu odlala indima. So mina after I realized ukuthi okay, because ngiyakhona ukubhala ingoma okay iphinde futhi ngiyiproduce, but I didn't know that not until I realized ukuthi if bangenzela iproduction I meet ama requirements. So from there I started like okay, you know what, let me start doing this by myself so that I can be able to achieve the results mina engiwafunayo uma ngibhala ingoma. I can't write a song and after that like ingoma ingasangichazi after the producer has been like working with that. But in order for ukuthi le ngoma ibe right like ingichazi ngizokwazi ukuthi iphinde ngisuse la endlini ngicine ngifikile emsakazweni ukuthi ngicine ngiyenza ngalendlela vele mina ebekuyisifiso sami, you understand? Meaning it's like it's reached the requirements like I expected, you understand? So ngisebenza like I usually work with my brothers Dizzy and then baning njengoba bashila bafethu, some of them they are even left there because maybe temporal duties or ipa nan but nje kuning like EP. Okay, like my EP is a project for now, because I'm still like I'm trying to reach the professional mode. Angifuna ukwenza into and then I gotta go back and fix, then I go back and resume. No, like kufuna nje ihambe ngendlela eyi-one futhi ibe perfect and smooth. If it's not perfect but it's gotta lean near to be perfect, ingabi perfect.
Umuntu uyayazi into ayifuna.
But anyway ngaphandle kwabafethu angicabanga ukuthi a lot would have been like accomplished. So izandla bafethu ziyagezana, like umuntu ungamthatheli phansi undermine. It's just that